Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those of you that have subscribed, thank you. I do appreciate all the likes and comments you guys are sending me. Today I'm going to be attempting to adjust my chain. It's gotten pretty slack. I've gotten pretty lazy with it, but I'm based in Sydney and we're currently in lockdown, so I've got a lot of free time on my hand. Basically, according to the Suzuki manual, you want 20 to 30 mils of play. Okay, I've just measured my one and I'll show you guys as well. So what they tell you to do is measure off the front edge of the tire. So if you go here, what they want you to do is pull down. I got 60 and then push up and I've got 15. Now according to my maths, I'm pretty shocking at maths, but according to my maths that's 45 mil worth of play. So I need to adjust it and tighten the chain. If you've got axle sliders like I do, you'll have to remove them. Okay, these are the tools you will be needing. Tape measure, 12 mil spanner, 10 mil spanner, 36 mil socket to undo the axle nut, and a ruler comes handy. Yeah. Okay, the first thing you want to do is break your axle nut, crack it. Now you don't want to take this off completely, you just need to loosen it. Okay. Yep, that's loose. Next, what you want to do is just grab your 12 mil spanner, loosen these off. Do it on both sides. So remember, righty tighty, lefty loosey. Oh, that one was already loose. Maybe not the best. So I'm not sure if you guys are aware, but basically you've got little indicators here that show you where you can slide the chain sprocket back and forth. I'm almost to the end of my one, so I reckon after I adjust this I'll probably get a couple more months out of it, and then I'll have to replace the chain. Just remember, it's got to be equal on both sides. So now with the spanner we'll just go and adjust the chain. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I think that's a bit too much. We'll go 2 turns. Just remember, you've got to do the same on the other side. Okay, so the bike is now on the kickstand. Just to confirm, in front of the tire, 40 mil stagnant, 50 mil when I push down, pushing up, roughly 25 mil. So that's 25 mil of play, which is good. And I don't know if you guys can see, but I am on the second last little nip on the swing arm here. I've done exactly the same on the other side. To me, we're pretty much all done. We just need to tighten these back up, put my axle sliders back on, good to go. One thing I forgot to mention, guys, when doing your axle nut up, Suzuki owner's manual says 100 Newton meters, so just confirm that that is tight. Beautiful, all done.